In today's video, I'll show you how you can apply crop and zoom to all clips in PowerDirector. So let's get started. So here we are in PowerDirector, and in here is that we are now going to apply a crop to this clip. So to do that is that you just simply need to double click on that clip, and then you now have these options. In here is that you don't want to go here into crop and rotate and then crop your video this way, like literally copying it just like that, because you wouldn't be able to paste this or apply this to the other clip. So you'd only be able to do it into this clip. Instead, what you want to do is that you're going to click on don't save, and this time you want to go into position, size, or flip. And in here, you just want to increase the scale. So in here, you could just adjust the framing of the video itself. So for example, I would enlarge this and I would want to crop it like that. So the subject is in the center, maybe like that. So that's it. And now if you would want to apply the same scaling or the same crop on the same location of the video, then you could just simply right click on that clip. And then now you would want to go into copy keyframe attributes. And then you would want to select the clip that you would want to apply this. So for example, in this one right here, or you could also select multiple clips by doing this. And then you want to right click and then click on paste keyframe attributes. And then as you can see, you would have this pop up. You just click on OK. And then you'd now be able to see that it is now applied on the other clips as well. So yeah, this is how you could do it. And same thing if you do a zoom animation for that clip, same thing that you'd want to do after you have applied the zoom animation or zoom effect on this clip. You want to right click again and then copy keyframe attributes and paste it into the other clips. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.